بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
وَالْمُرْسَلَاتِ عُرْفًا.
By the wind sent forth in quick succession.
فَالْعَاصِفَاتِ عَصْفًا.
Which then blow tempestuously.
وَالنَّاشِرَاتِ نَشْرًا.
And raise clouds and scatter them around.
فَالْفَارِقَاتِ فَرْقًا.
Then winnow them thoroughly.
فَالْمُلْقِيَاتِ ذِكْرًا.
And then cast Allah's remembrance in people's hearts.
عُذْرًا أَوْ نُذْرًا.
To serve as an excuse or a warning.
إِنَّمَا تُوعَدُونَ لَوَاقِعٌ.
Surely what you are promised shall come to pass.
فَإِذَا النُّجُومُ طُمِسَتْ.
So when the stars are extinguished.
وَإِذَا السَّمَاءُ فُرِجَتْ.
And the sky is rent asunder.
وَإِذَا الْجِبَالُ نُصِفَتْ.
And the mountains are blown away.
وَإِذَا الرُّسُلُ أُقِتَتْ.
And the appointed time to bring the messengers together arrives. Then shall the promised event come to pass.
لِأَيِّ يَوْمٍ أُجِّلَتْ.
To which day has this task been deferred?
لِيَوْمِ الْفَصْلِ.
To the day of judgment.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا يَوْمُ الْفَصْلِ.
What do you know what the day of judgment is?
وَيْلٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ لِلْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
أَلَمْ نُهْلِكِ الْأَوَّلِينَ.
Did we not destroy many a nation of the earlier times?
ثُمَّ نُتْبِعُهُمُ الْآخِرِينَ.
And we shall cause those of later times to follow them.
كَذَلِكَ نَفْعَلُ بِالْمُجْرِمِينَ.
Thus do we deal with the guilty.
وَيْلٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ لِلْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
أَلَمْ نَخْلُقكُّم مِّن مَّاءٍ مَّهِينٍ.
Did we not create you of a mean fluid?
فَجَعَلْنَاهُ فِي قَرَارٍ مَّكِينٍ.
Which we then placed in a secure repository.
إِلَى قَدَرٍ مَّعْلُومٍ.
Until an appointed time.
فَقَدَرْنَا فَنِعْمَ الْقَادِرُونَ.
See that we had the power to do so. Great indeed is our power to do what we will.
وَيْلٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ لِلْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
أَلَمْ نَجْعَلِ الْأَرْضَ كِفَاتًا.
Did we not make the earth a receptacle?
أَحْيَاءً وَأَمْوَاتًا.
For the living and the dead.
وَجَعَلْنَا فِيهَا رَوَاسِيَ شَامِخَاتٍ وَأَسْقَيْنَاكُم مَّاءً فُرَاطًا.
And did we not firmly fix towering mountains on it and give you sweet water to drink?
وَيْلٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ لِلْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
انطلقوا إلى ما كنتم به تكذبون.
Proceed now towards that which you were wont to deny as false.
انطلقوا إلى ظل ذي ثلاث شعب.
Proceed towards the three-pronged shadow,
لا ظليل ولا يغني من اللهب.
which neither provides cooling shade nor protection against the flames.
إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر.
It indeed throws up sparks like castles,
كأنه جمالة صفر.
which seem as though they are yellow-colored camels.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
هذا يوم لا ينطقون.
That will be the day on which they will not be able to utter a word,
ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون.
nor will they be allowed to proffer excuses.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين.
That is the day of judgment on which we have assembled you, as well as all those who went before you.
فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون.
So, if you have any ploy, try it against me.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون.
Behold, today the God-fearing will be amidst shades and springs,
وفواكه مما يشتهون.
and the fruits that they desire will be ready at hand.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون.
Eat and drink, and may every joy attend you as a reward for your deeds.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus do we reward those that do good.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون.
Eat and enjoy yourselves for a while. Surely you are evildoers.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون.
When it is said to them, bow down before Allah, they do not bow down.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to those that give the lie to the truth.
فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون.
In what discourse after this Quran will they then believe?